Hello friends, welcome back to the series of tenses. Okay, so do you know what's the tense? Yes, tense is a time when we communicate in English. And today's tense will be very special because from today we will start present continuous tense part 1, and it's the first part of present continuous tense because we were supposed to do this. So we will learn the tense step by step as you learned the present simple tense. So I hope that you will do the same thing as you did to present simple tense. So let's start the first class of present continuous tense. So here I have written two comparison. So in present tense, I have written that is present simple or present continuous, or you can say present progressive. It depends on you, but present continuous is generally used to say. So today's topic we have just started the topic class of present continuous. So here I have written the present simple, which we have already learned our present simple class all parts. So here I have written that is I write, and I have written some sentences of present continuous. So I have written the present simple tense to understand the present continuous. Okay, so we have already known that is present simple, which we have already learned. So it is in this sentence the sentence it has been written that is I write. So it indicates that is general permanent. It's in general true. It may indicate that you write it every day. You can write a letter. You can write a letter every day, or it's in true general knowledge, and it's the habitual truth. It's your habitual truth, or it can be general permanent, or it can be habitual truth of your regular activities. It indicates your regular activities. So I write. So we know that is present simple tense, but today we will learn the present continuous tense. We have just entered the basic. Okay, so as we did the same thing that is present simple, so we have already know, but only for present continuous we have to know that is here we can see I am. We have to just after the verb we have to see the subject. After the subject we have to add the helping verb, and they are am, is, or are. Am, is, or are. You have to add these. You have to add these three things only for present continuous. Okay, not present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, which we will learn later. So here we can see that is I am writing. So after the verb 1 we have to add the ing. So here, so present continuous indicates that is now temporary. Something is temporary in a short period, or now something is temporary and it's continuing. Something is happening now. The action is happening now, and it can also that is in a short period, or it's continuing. So that is called present continuous tense, or you can say present progressive tense as you wish. So here we can let this is I'm writing. You are writing. You is second person. That's why we have to add the are. You are writing. Just add the ing after the verb of write. You are writing. We are writing. We is first person singular. That's why we have added the are. Then we have to put the verb of write. Then we have to add the ing. We are writing. They are writing. They is third person plural. They are writing. He is writing. Third person singular. So that's why we have added the is. Okay, so here we have already learned am, is, or are. Are for plural and is only for singular. And am is added only for I because I indicates first person. So he is writing. She is writing. It is writing. Arjon is writing. Karim is writing. So we have already understood. So present continuous indicates that is something temporary, something is happening now or in a short period, but it's still continuing. For example, that is I am teaching. I am talking about the present continuous tense with you. So in this time, I am teaching. So it indicates the action is continuing and it indicates in a short period. Have you understood, guys? I hope that you have already understood. So we have just learned the basic sentences of present continuous tense. So it's the first lesson. So I hope that you have already understood, and by this we will practice present continuous tense as we did to present simple tense. So if you like my video, just like, comment, follow and share my video, and stay tuned as you did. And thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.